No way, guys, I just discovered how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2026, so this works on iOS and Android. So you get a joystick, you get a bar on the right side of the screen that shows you all the nearby Pokemon. I mean, this is insane. So I'm going to show you how to get it. So just go to settings, and you can see right here we got all the options. So we can actually change our speed and stuff. So I'm going to show you how to download it. So as you can see, I can walk around with the joystick and everything. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So as you can see, we can change our speed. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool, guys, as you can see. So to do the video, all we have to do is get the trainer code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And now I'm going to take you to the website where we can download this. So this is the website, guys. It's called spooferlab.com. So once you're on it, it's going to be a button that says inject spoofer now. So just go ahead and press that. So it will download straight away. You can read all about it and stuff. So I'm just going to press inject. And now it's going to load up. So it's going to ask for the trainer code, guys. So make sure you go ahead and put that in. And then it's just going to ask for your platform. So now we're just going to wait for this to load, as you can see. So it says authenticating. So we're just going to wait for this to load. So now we just need to be picking whether we want full edition or custom edition. And then I'm going to press continue. So it's going to load. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So as you can see, it should load up. So you can see it says installing and all this stuff. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So let's just give it a second. You can see I've tested this numerous times, so I know it works. But yeah, let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see. So at the end it says I'm not a robot. So I'm just going to press that, and we'll see if it goes through. So hopefully it works. So as you can see, it says failed. So I'm going to go ahead and press it again, and we'll see if it works this time. So this is the moment of truth, guys. Let's find out if it works or not. So I think it worked. Yep. So there you go, guys. So that's how I get it for your device. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super crazy. So we got the joystick. We got all the settings. So it actually works. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. So yeah, there's just tons of settings in here, guys. So super wild. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want to have a spoofer that actually works, you know, all the good options are in this spoofer, guys. So it's pretty cool. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So if you guys need it, be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super cool. But I'm going to see you guys later. So definitely try it out for yourself. Get the word out. So yeah, I mean, no problems at all. So yeah, if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, try it out for yourself. You can see right here all the settings. So this is super cool. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, try it out for yourself. You can change the sniping thing. So yeah, you can change your character's speed. So this is so cool, guys. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. And yeah, peace out, my gang.